In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tables to Excel. If you need to move your ClickUp data into a spreadsheet for reporting, sharing, or offline editing, this is a quick and straightforward process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open the table view in ClickUp that you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, list, or location before continuing, especially if you manage multiple tables. Taking a moment here helps ensure you export exactly the data you need. Once the table is open, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click Customize. This is where ClickUp gives you access to display and export related options for your current view. If your table has already been filtered or arranged in a certain way, it's a good idea to quickly review it before exporting so the file reflects what you expect. After that, click Export. This opens the export settings, where you'll choose what kind of information you want included in the file. At this stage, ClickUp gives you a few different options depending on how much data you want to bring into Excel. Now choose what to export. You can select visible columns if you only want the columns currently shown in your table. You can choose task names only if you just need a simple list of task titles. Or, if you want the most complete version of the table, select all columns. The right choice depends on how you plan to use the spreadsheet afterward, so pick the option that best matches your goal. Next, open the File Format menu and select Excel. This is the important part if you want the file to be easily opened and worked with in Microsoft Excel instead of another format. Choosing the correct format now saves time later and helps preserve a spreadsheet-friendly layout. Once that's set, click Download. ClickUp will generate the file and save it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may go directly to your default Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. Finally, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. From there, you can review your table, make edits, sort data, create formulas, or share it with others as needed. And that's it. That's how to export ClickUp tables to Excel quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching.